Whoa. What is up, guys? It is day 2 in Norway. Check out that morning view right behind us. Anyway, we're just heading to the car. We just woke up and we're gonna head to our first shoot of the day. Boys ready to shoot?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we pulled over on the side of the road. I'm gonna pull out the drone right now and pop it up and capture those beautiful mountains. I just really like the way the sun's hitting the top right up there. I'm pretty sure it's warm enough to fly the drone. I flew it a couple weeks ago. Not a couple weeks ago. I flew it last week in the Dolomites, and it was a bit colder than this, so I think we're fine. We should be good. Alright, so today we're using the Phantom 4 Pro. I've got the Polar Pro Cinema Series Indie filters I'm gonna throw on there. Probably gonna throw on the 8. The set comes with 8, 16, and 32. And yeah. Alright. So, I know it's gonna give me warnings and tell me that it's way too cold, so there is a chance that I'll lose my drone today. I'll be fine with it. I'll be fine with it, right? Yeah.
All right, Metro, you ready?
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
Send it. What's up, vlog fam? What's up, vlog? What do you call your fam?
What?
The Minchies?
M&M's.
The Minchies? M&M's.
Solid. Feel super solid about that. I think we got some really sick drone stuff. Well, that was sick. Bangers before breakfast? Bangers before breakfast. No, I just wanted the shot of coffee.
Are you using the pan or the pot?
It's about 4 o'clock right now. We're gonna head back out, take some more photos. It's currently snowing like a ton right now. We just parked the car back there and we're walking out onto this bridge right now, right over here. From here is one of the classic photo locations of the Lofoten Islands. Pretty stoked. I've always wanted to go here, like always. And I guess today's the day.
In the morning, this whole place would be all dad photographers.
All photographers just like lined up every row.
Tripods. Oh my god, like snipers. So sick. The contrast is crazy.
The red and the blue and
yeah.
Like what? Alright, today I'm shooting on the Canon 1DX Mark II. I've got the Rokinon 24mm on here, and let's take some shots. How's it look?
Pretty cool.
Alright, I'm gonna join you. Shoot. We just wrapped our little shoot down there and head back up to go find LISHEN. We kind of left him, or he ran off. Either or, we gotta find him. Yeah. So instead of taking off the drone here, we're gonna drive down the road just a little bit and then try to pop it up and grab some more shots. Ready, dude? Ready, ready. Oh!
You're gonna get an epic drone shot here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
LISHEN is calling it right now, epic drone shot.
Dude, they're not ready. The struggles of the cold.
Yep.
With phones.
What are we filming? Oh, I'm an idiot.
What happened?
I forgot to put
Let's
the SD card in.
Oh,
Take 2, take off.
let's go.
Oh wow, this is sick. Got so cold and so numb that I had to hand it over to LISHEN to go down.
Yeah. Wait,
like,
show the vlog. Oh my gosh.
Just getting too many shots.
I'm the assistant officer. Don't worry.
AC
LISHEN's
one?
gonna wrap it up. Dude, your hands look so red on the vlog.
I can feel
like
them.
it's crazy.
Oh, yeah. Well, that was satisfying.
Yeah.
You guys stoked on that?
Yeah. That was really tight.
Alright, so where are we off to next?
Maybe like hit some spots along the way.
Let's do it. Yeah. After bringing the drone down, we just snapping a ton of photos. We stopped at one more location right here. It's getting pretty dark, so we want to see if we can get some super moody shots of the mountain here. Just one take a moody picture.
How does one wait for the blue hour and snap it?
Just like that?
And then slide the temperature blue.
You can't even tell here, but it's super dark. We just got a ton of shots. We absolutely crushed it. And that's gonna wrap up the day shooting for us. So anyway guys, super successful, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.